Svyatoslav Nikolaevich Rurik in his works was able to deeply convey the unity of nature and man, man and space. Especially in such works as Spring, Eternal Life, Sacred Flute, we admire not only his penetration into this amazing unity, but also the ability to convey it to viewers. In our world, it is not at all easy to discern this fundamental unity, hidden by the obviousness of multiplicity. But those who have discerned it, who have understood the closest interconnection of both humanity and all living things, strive to help overcome the obviousness and approach the cosmic reality, the awareness of which will undoubtedly transform the world. The mother of Svyatoslav Nikolaevich, the outstanding thinker Elena Ivanovna Rurik, wrote, "It is precisely from childhood that consciousness must be accustomed to the unity of life, to the unity of the cosmos. Let our planet not be some isolated world, but only one of the stops on the great path to infinity." It is necessary to realize as early as possible our place in infinity and our dependence on the entirety of life in the cosmos. Remember, the teaching says, "The fall of a feather from a bird's wing produces thunder in the distant worlds." It is necessary to delve as deeply as possible into this terrible dependence of ours and into the interrelations of all that exists. From this a feeling of great responsibility for every thought, word and action should be born. Cause and effect operate incessantly and indefinitely. The famous Indian musician and philosopher Inayat Khan has these lines, "Only when a person loses the concept of separateness and feels himself in unity with all creatures, his eyes are opened and he sees the cause of all things." How can one come to a deep awareness of this unity, to overcome separateness? This is achieved through constant reflection, the development of sensitivity, the desire to discern this unity in everyday life, and the maintenance of a sense of interdependence. This leads to the fact that knowledge eventually passes from the intellect to the heart, and a person begins to feel this interconnection with other people and with the whole world. Can a person ascend or descend for himself alone? Of course, no being can act without significance for the environment. A person has risen in thought, and thereby has rendered a significant benefit to someone. A person has fallen in spirit, and thereby, perhaps, has killed someone. Therefore, the flourishing of thoughts are the fiery flower of the spirit. If only people would realize what visible and invisible cooperation they can participate in. Albert Einstein was another of those who penetrated this unity. Man is a part of the whole, which we call the universe, a part limited in time and space. He feels himself, his thoughts and feelings, as something separate from the rest of the world, which is a kind of optical illusion. This illusion has become a prison for us, limiting us to the world of our own desires and attachment to a narrow circle of people close to us. Our task is to free ourselves from this prison, expanding the sphere of our participation to every living being, to the whole world, in all its splendor. And the sacred flute in the paintings of Svyatoslav Rurik continues to call us to penetrate into the unity of existence and transform the world.